United Kingdom, they are holding the Eurovision next year.
They actually are going to hold it after coming second in the competition. And this is because Ukraine is obviously a war zone and you cannot hold a competition in a war zone and have people travelling to it. So in solidarity, the UK have said, we'll put it on, and the BBC are going to host it next year.
And also, I just want to say, this is not saying that the Eurovision committee are the ones have decided that the war in Ukraine is going to continue going on. We hope to God
obviously
that it will all be over by then, but they're not.
Because obviously the planning starts, nearly as soon as the...
Because you have to find host cities, you have to do all that. And that's what the BBC have done. This week they will put out to host cities to host it. All the cities want this.
Absolutely.
They want it. I know Birmingham have already earmarked one of their stadium and have not put any... See, the problem about this is...
But sure, that's why we don't win anymore. It's too expensive to host.
You don't need that.
Do it on purpose.
You need to have nothing in a stadium for 2 months. Because it needs to be block booked for Eurovision for 2 months. So this is the problem.
What?
Yeah, by the time... There's 3 weeks of rehearsals and shows. You build that massive set and stadium and the whole thing.
Even though they're not in Europe anymore, are you going to be doing 3 months of the show from whatever
I
host
will
city
be in the UK.
You'll be there
and
everywhere.
Of course we want Graham Norton, our very own Graham Norton, to host it.
Wouldn't that be great? Because Graham Norton is our Marty Whelan in terms of he usually commentates on the competition.
But does that mean, because I don't want to lose him from the commentary... So I don't watch it.
The precedence has been set by Terry Wogan. Sir Terry Wogan, the late Sir Terry Wogan. The last time it was... Sorry, I'm a Eurovision fanatic.
No, this is
the last time it was held in Birmingham with Eureka Johnson. Terry Wogan and Eureka Johnson hosted the Eurovision. Terry came out, opened the whole show, went and did his commentary, came back at the interval, did some stuff, then went back into the commentary and then ended the show.
Do it in his sleep.
So he did it. So he actually did host and compare. So I can imagine Graham Norton's going to do that. And I'd say Claudia Winkleman.
Oh, I'd love that. Would be such a dream team.
That would be brilliant.
Graham Norton, Claudia Winkleman would be immense.
And his blankety blank, will he have a blankety blank mic? That's what he should do to keep
that
Terry
was
alive.
Terry Wogan,
I know that.
And it's the 9th time the UK will have hosted. Now, they haven't won it, so but they've actually stood in and hosted for other countries over the years that couldn't host it.
Exactly.
I've never seen him more passionate about anything.
My work here is done.
Like ever. I've never seen him more passionate.
Does anybody care
about
that the UK are holding the Eurovision next year?
You're going to be at it, I assume.
I will be definitely going if it's in the UK.
Aideen, you're going to travel over?
No, I'm not travelling over to the UK. I love the Eurovision, but I won't be at
Eurovision not being held in Europe. There we go.
Exactly.
Aideen Finnegan, host of How to Pivot broadcast. Thank you so much. It's not in Europe anymore.
I didn't think of that.
It's, geographically in Europe, but not in Europe.
They still pay one of the biggest amounts to the EBU.
Oh, God. All right. Ray, what's on the way after the break? You host the Eurovision. You're Irish too.
On Ireland, yeah, sure, we'll all have a go of it.
Yeah.